a Pennsylvania Golden Gloves tournament. It'll be a coming out party for Taylor's Brandon Lawrence. Paul Grippy said it's the first of 2 debuts for Brandon this year.
Looking pretty good, like a polished pugilist. Taylor's Brandon Lawrence comes to the World Karate Union Academy 3 times a week to get this good. Of course, next week someone will actually hit him back.
I was never gotten a fight in my life besides in the ring. Really easygoing kid.
So after 2 years of training for fun, Brandon went out and lined up a bout, even though he never really got hit before.
We do spar at other gyms, so I mean I have a slight idea of how how the impact's going to be. But the ounces that we use, as far as the ounces of gloves we use, they're a little bit lighter than what we usually spar with.
The way he handles all his tasks is incredible. Especially this week is spring break. While the guys are out on spring break partying, he's here training, ready for the Golden Gloves next week.
While training, Brandon has to juggle his last semester at East Stroudsburg, an internship, and important girlfriend time. It's easy stuff compared to telling his mother he had a fight.
My mom, she is not too swell about me boxing. She doesn't like any other mom, they don't like seeing their kids get hurt. But she backs me up 100%.
Brandon won't be a real fighter until he gets one of those cute tough guy nicknames, which he's working on.
Around here, everyone calls me Larry, so everyone calls me Light 'em Up Larry. That's pretty much my boxing name.
Maybe he'll get a name during his internship this summer with the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Yankees. One day in a big green costume will make him Brandon the Grump Lawrence. Now that's a tough name. Paul Grippy, Newswatch 16 Sports.
And the Yankees and Phillies in spring